Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at the concept of master within OpenMP. And the master thread is the main thread that runs throughout the system. It's thread ID 0, and it is the idea basically that it's the thread that runs in single threaded space and then carries on into parallel space. So in normal operation, all the threads do the same things. So here is some very simple code. We're going to go into a parallel region and we'll say hello from thread and then give a thread number. And you can see we have this machine, 10 threads on it, hello from thread 0 all the way through to 9. Now this is fine, and we've seen some other constructs, for example, where we only want to allow one thread to enter. But what if we only want to allow one thread to execute a section of code? So for example, we want to open a database connection. We don't want every thread to do it. We want one thread to do it, but we need to know that it gets done. So this is where the concept of the master thread comes in. So, within the parallel region, we can take any section and we can then do pragma OMP master. And what this means is that only the master thread, or thread 0, will execute that code. So when we compile this and we run it, we get all of our hellos, but we only get one hello from master thread. Now, there is of course another way in which we could do this. We could say and this would mean that only a thread with that ID could run it. There we go. It's hello from thread 0, hello from thread 0, but actually with it coded, let's just change that to make it a little bit more obvious. And you can see that these only run once. Well, why would we want to do this as opposed to this method? Well, this one requires in effect some kind of magic number. We don't really like magic numbers. It also may change depending on the architecture on which we're running. Perhaps the master thread isn't 0 and it is built into the specification that it is. So therefore, this is more work. We have to remember to do this. We also potentially might want to use this structure if we want to do something with 0, something with 1, something with 2, and lots of complicated stuff. But in general operation, if we want to reach a point and we want to say, no, we only want one thread to do something, we use the master construct, and then thread 0 is the only one that executes it.